Hey guys, so ayun, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-change ng YouTube channel art using just your mobile phone. So this, pupunta muna kayo sa Chrome. And after that, go to YouTube. Ayan, mag-open ang YouTube sa Chrome ninyo. And then, wait lang natin. Okay, ayan. So, pagkatapos, i-click mo yung profile picture mo dun sa gilid. That is me. And then, go to your channel. And then, just i-click mo lang itong entire portion na ito. And then, after that, select a photo from your computer or mobile phone. And then, go to Files. Ayun. Hanapin mo na yung na-edit mo na channel art mo. And then, upload mo na. So, ayan, hanapin ko lang yung na-edit ko. Okay, uploading. Actually, mabilis lang siyang mag-upload, guys. And then, this is it. Ayan. Makikita nyo is desktop, TV, and mobile. Just wait, ayusin ko lang yung position. So, ayan. Ayan guys, this is, makikita nyo, for desktop, you can adjust it and drag it para sakto yung size niya on mobile, TV, and desktop. Ayan. Okay naman siya guys. As you can see, okay naman. And then, just click it. Select. Okay, select. And then, ayun na. Ayan na ang bago kong channel art. Ganun lang guys, kadali change ng YouTube channel art, whether on your mobile phone only. So, ayan. That is my new YouTube channel art. Zila Mangyan Vlogs. Okay. Let's just go to home. Try natin pumunta sa home to check again our YouTube channel. And then after that, go to your profile picture sa gilid. Tingnan natin kung okay yung nagawa natin, kung na-change na ba niya. Okay. So, ayan na. Ayan na guys, ang bagong channel art. So, ganun lang kabilis at kadali na mag-change ng YouTube channel art using just your mobile phone. Ang importante guys is meron ka nang na-edit na channel art mo na nakasave sa files mo. So, ayun guys. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe also. And click mo na din ang notification bell so that you will be updated on my next vlog. Thanks for watching guys, and sana nakatulong tong tutorial how to create